If you have ever needed to see someone else's screen, or if you're looking for an easy way to help someone from far away, you probably heard about TeamViewer but did not know where to start or how to use it. In this video, I will show you how to use TeamViewer step by step in a simple way. And by the end of this video, you will know how to connect and share your screen and also use TeamViewer easily. Let's get started. First, you're gonna have to create an account. Once you have done that, log into your account. You're gonna be in the home page. You're gonna go to remote support. Now, if you want to join a session, you're gonna go here and click join session, and you're gonna type in here the code that is supposed to be sent to you from the person that had created a session. Once you've done that, you're gonna click on join session here. But if you want to create a session, you're gonna go here and click on new session. And here what you're gonna need to do is to copy the code and send it to the person that you want to allow to access your screen. Then click here. There are other options here. You can go to settings. Here you can also chat. You can start chatting here by inviting people here. You can also do some meetings here. You can join them. You can also start a meeting that you can join other people, invite other people. And this is how you can use TeamViewer. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.